If any question, you can interrupt me. So next, I'm not sure it's a section. Like maybe next section. It's called Tefillah, the obligation. The Mishnah Brura states that women, single girls, and women who are not preoccupied with the needs of the children, obligated to daven Shmona Esrei twice each day, once in a Shacharis and one at Mincha. According to many poskim, women who are occupied with taking care of the children and do not have time to daven are exempt from davening Shmona Esrei. However, they should try to find time to recite at least Birchas HaTorah and Birchas HaShachar. Okay, so very interesting. So let's try to understand. So first, Mishnah Brura says that women who are not busy, single girls, right after bar mitzvah, or even before the bar mitzvah, bas mitzvah, right? They don't have so many responsibilities, so it's proper for them to pray twice a day, right? Pray, of course, they're not going to pray the complete prayer that the man prays. We're going to see what the difference is, but at least what Mishnah Brura says, pray 2 Shmona Esrei, right? And Shmona Esrei is called in the Talmud and rabbinic literature, I would say Tefillah. So if it's a Tefillah meaning prayer, it means Shmona Esrei. So of course, when we say Tefillah, when we say prayer, we mean the whole prayer from the beginning to the end, right? That takes a very long time, for example, in Shacharis. But for women, okay, at least Shmona Esrei. Of course, we're going to add Shema later on, but for now, it is at least Shmona Esrei. And we say it very interesting, since we said before in the beginning of the class that women are exempt from all of these mitzvahs that are connected to time, right? And prayers, of course, they connected to time. There's a latest time for Shacharis, right? And as we're going to say, the latest Shach, whatever, according by the lenience of the lenience opinion, is by the midday of halachic midday, right? And there is a limit for a mincha also, right? Up to what time you can daven mincha. And plus, there is another rule. Then it says when one person is busy with one mitzvah, he's not or she's not obligated to do another mitzvah. So exception is, of course, if the time is going to pass, so it's proper to stop the first mitzvah and do the second mitzvah. For example, I'm not talking about women, but I'm talking about men right now. So if you're busy with some mitzvah, and mitzvah of the Shema is going to pass, let's say, I don't know, whatever, today is 9:30, I'm just making up time, right? Let's say 9:30, so you see it's 9:25 now, so it's proper to stop whatever you do it, say the Shema, all of the 3 paragraphs, even without the blessings, so and then continue do whatever you do. Okay, but for women, we say if she's busy with attending to the family and attending to sick people, so of course she's not obligated. But as I say, it's proper to say at least Birchas HaTorah, blessing on the Torah, and morning blessings. So again, it takes maybe 2 minutes. And of course, the biblical obligation is to pray, as the Rambam in Mishnah explained, in Mishnah Torah explains. It's one of the 613 mitzvahs to pray, but with your own words. So whatever we pray right now, it's what sages of the Great Assembly in the beginning of they were in the beginning of the Second Temple, right? So they composed this prayers, the standard text of the prayer. So that's what we're using. Okay.